So hello everyone, this is CA Sanidhya Saraf, your friend, mentor and coach for Audit and Law. So again, there is a good news for all the CA final students who are going to give the examinations from July 29th, if at all the exams takes place. That is, we are going to conduct the last and the final round for the Audit and Law challenge, and that is going to commence from 1st of July, right? So what happens in this Audit and Law challenge? Basically what we do is I give you a schedule, I give you a study schedule for audit, I give you a study schedule for law in such a manner that you can cover audit and law in 10 to 12 days in a smart and systematic manner. Either you have studied audit and law earlier and you can complete your revision in those 6 days in the schedule I have given you, or the alternative is if you feel that self study is taking more time, you can also go for my Sanjeevani or fast track courses and accordingly do with those courses, right? Sanjeevani is basically for revision, that if you need a complete revision, full fledged revision with complete concepts, then you can go for Sanjeevani. And by the help of Sanjeevani, you can complete audit classes in 25 hours and law classes in 25 hours. Again, Sanjeevani audit for English version is also available, but law is available only in Hindi. And अगर आपने ऑडिट लॉ की तैयारी बिल्कुल भी नहीं कर रखी है, so in that situation you can also go for the fast track classes where you can complete audit and law in 50 hours each. Or the other alternative is, again you can go for the self study mode. I will provide you a schedule, right? Detailed schedule, day wise schedule कि 1 जुलाई को कौन सा टॉपिक्स पढ़ना है, 2nd को कौन सा पढ़ना है, 3rd को कौन सा पढ़ना है. तो आई विल प्रोवाइड यू अ डिटेल्ड शेड्यूल. The audit challenge shall be from 1st of July to 6th of July, and the law challenge shall be from 7th of July to 12th of July, right? साथ ही साथ what we are going to do is to ensure that the study is being productive and you can assess your performance at the same time. We are going to conduct test on a daily basis on my Telegram channel. तो डेली बेसिस में अपन टेस्ट कंडक्ट करेंगे हमारे टेलीग्राम चैनल में उन्हीं टॉपिक्स का जो मैंने आपको अलॉट करा है, जिसके अंदर आई विल बी आस्किंग यू 10 एमसीक्यूज एंड 2 डिस्क्रिप्टिव क्वेश्चंस ऑन द डेली बेसिस इन द टेलीग्राम चैनल एट 2 PM द स्टैंडर्ड टाइम जिसमें एग्जाम अपना होता है नॉर्मली, राइट? तो 2 बजे आपसे क्वेश्चंस पूछा जाएगा एंड 2 बजे क्या करना है, आपको टेस्ट में अपीयर करना है. तो डेली बेसिस में टेस्ट होने वाला है फ्रॉम 1st जुलाई टू 12th ऑफ जुलाई. 1st to 6th of July it is going to be audit, 7th to 12th of July it is going to be law, right? And you are going to appear in the test, you are going to answer 10 MCQs, so you can assess where you land in concepts. For example, if you have not entered even 5 MCQs correctly, your concepts are very weak. But if you have entered 8 or more MCQs correctly, your concepts are good. But descriptive questions will also be asked, so that will enhance your self-writing practice on a daily basis, and then you can map your answer with the suggested will provide. And accordingly our team is going to conduct a free test series for you as well, राइट? तो इस 12 दिन के अंदर हम क्या करने वाले हैं, एक ऑडिट लॉ चैलेंज कंडक्ट करने वाले हैं, जहां पे मैं आपको एक चैलेंज देने वाला हूं कि बॉस यू हैव टू कंप्लीट ऑडिट एंड लॉ इन 12 days एज पर द शेड्यूल गिवन बाय मी. एंड एट द सेम टाइम आई एम गोइंग टू कंडक्ट a complimentary free test that you are going to give test on a daily basis and assess your performance. Do remember, this test will completely be on self-evaluation basis. If you need a complete detailed test mechanism with evaluation from experts, you can opt for our Apna Mentor test series, where we conduct chapter-wise test, 100-mark test with proper evaluation and remark from the experts. ये जो टेस्ट होने वाला है टेलीग्राम में, ये फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट होने वाला है और कंप्लीट सेल्फ इवैल्यूएशन बेसिस में होने वाला है, जहाँ पे आप डेली बेसिस में पढ़ाई करने वाले हो, कुछ टॉपिक्स पढ़ने वाले हो और सेल्फ इवैल्यूएशन बेसिस के हिसाब से कुछ एमसीक्यूज की प्रैक्टिस करने वाले हो और डिस्क्रिप्टिव क्वेश्चंस की प्रैक्टिस करने वाले हो, राइट? आई विल शेयर यू द डिटेल्ड शेड्यूल ऑन माई टेलीग्राम चैनल. इफ यू हैव नॉट जॉइन माई टेलीग्राम चैनल yet, you can join the telegram channel. The link is given in the description box and you can also share the link with your friends, right? If you have not downloaded Telegram yet, first of all you have to download Telegram from the Play Store, and thereafter you can join my Telegram channel. In the Telegram channel we also provide authentic updates regarding audit and law, we provide the voice clips, we provide revisionary videos and a lot more. And this test are also going to be conducted in the Telegram channel, so do join the Telegram channel and suggest all your friends. So hopefully you like this initiative and you'll be participating in large numbers. The audit and law detailed schedule I shall be sharing on my channel, the test schedule I shall be sharing on my channel, the study schedule I shall be sharing on my channel, right? Hopefully you like this initiative and do like the videos if you like so, and at the same time don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel by clicking the bell icon. Thank you.